Quintrex is obviously an iconic brand that's built up a reputation over the last 75 years. And I think it's just part of people's boating lives that, you know, people associate boating, but more so a lifestyle with Quintrex. And, you know, people have grown up, you know, with Quintrex from their first boat to, you know, to runabouts, to cabin boats, and they just have grown up with the brand.
There are changes happening all the time for the better, and it's always good to see the product growing each year. And just the people and the company itself to work for. I've been here all up for nearly 15 years, so you wouldn't stay somewhere that long and not enjoy it.
The best part of being a Quintrex dealer, it's probably experiencing getting people on the water for the first time. So we're getting all the first-time boaties out on the water to show them that lifestyle, to be out on the water, enjoy the beautiful weather that we've got here on the Gold Coast, enjoy our waterways, and yeah, just spend more time with their family or go out and catch the biggest fish they can. And it's just really good to get those stories back from the guys and hear how much they're loving their Quintrex boat.
When you've manufactured something for so long, you really understand what the market wants and needs. Whether it's chasing red emperor or coral trout at the barrier reef, getting your first barramundi in the territory, or getting a Murray cod at Lake Mulwala. I mean, there are some special places in Australia, and Quintrex has been part of those stories for a long time.